14 different attorneys appeared before the judge in her courtroom on the 17th floor here, but a lot of the advocacy in this case was down here on the street. Should the federal government take over operations at Rikers Island? That's the question before a judge now, and for some people in favor of the move, it comes down to this.
Shut Rikers down!
They held a rally calling on the city to stick to the plan it made 7 years ago. That plan, to close the facility and replace it with smaller jails in each borough by 2027. Demonstrators say that in the meantime, having federal authorities operate the Rikers Island facility would mean justice for the more than 6,000 people being held there.
Being a victim of violent inmates, deprived of needed health care, deprived of your lawyer, health care providers, access to your family.
It's not safe. The conditions is horrible. People are not getting the correct treatment that they need. It's about getting the mayor to wake up.
But for his part, Mayor Eric Adams, whose administration has fought a federal takeover, was saying something somewhat different than he has in the past.
And I respect the decision that the court makes. We believe we can continue to move Rikers in the right direction.
The jail had 19 deaths behind bars in 2022. That went down to 9 last year, and it's dropped to 3 this year so far. Federal authorities have been monitoring but not operating Rikers for the last 9 years. Both they and the mayor said the current correction commissioner has improved conditions at the jail this year. Judge Laura Taylor Swain said that she will consider written arguments in the weeks ahead, and then in her 17th floor courtroom on September 25th, there will be arguments in person. The judge saying that she wants to consider if the city is in contempt against a federal monitor before she can decide whether or not the federal government should take over the Rikers jail. Reporting from Lower Manhattan, I'm James Ford, Pix 11 News.